I've just bumped into Scott from CGTech. How are you doing, Scott?
Yeah, not too bad, Lindsay. How are you? Had a good day?
Yeah, I've had a great day. My feet hurt now, though.
Good. We'll carry on walking.
We'll keep walking around. Now, Scott, you were in our offices the other day talking about the latest products that you've got.
Yeah.
I hear you've got another update.
Well, yeah, we're just sort of some new news, really. So, we've always been independent of the CAM system.
Yeah.
That's what CGTech is. It's a totally independent verification tool for G-code. But we also interface to CAD-CAM systems. So, you know, most major CAM systems available on the market, we interface to. Historically, the Autodesk PowerMILL interface and the FeatureCam interface has been an Autodesk developed product, okay? That now is, we've taken over the development of that product, and so it's going to be a CGTech developed product and licensed from CGTech. The benefit to the customer is that it's our development and it's going to be available in any level of PowerMILL. Currently it's only available in the top level, which is Ultimate. We have quite a few prospects that are on the intermediate version, so that the middle version. Currently they have to upgrade to Ultimate to get the interface. That's no longer the case. It will work on any version.
Brilliant. And you've had some really good feedback because you've not done this show before for, is it over 10 years?
It's probably getting on towards that, yeah. So I walked around it last year with a view to exhibiting, so we thought we'd give it a go this year.
And you've had some good feedback. Is it from your latest software update, am I correct?
Yeah, so VERICUT 9 was released back end of last year, and we've had quite a few customers on the stand to give us some good feedback about it, and some good positive new inquiries as well.
I think you cannot beat speaking to people, you know, at events like this. This is the best thing. I mean, you've got all the information via video, but how good is it when you're talking one-to-one about your products?
You can, and you can get their interest because you can give them a demo here live. It's an informal environment, so yeah, but it's good.
Okay, well, hopefully look forward to seeing you soon at another show. Thank you so much, Scott.
Probably Mac.
At Mac, just in a few weeks' time, actually, at Mac. So look forward to seeing you there, and maybe we can have a sit down, maybe a coffee or something.
Yeah, that'd be nice, Lindsay. Cheers.